My name is Betty Hudson. My topic is Mars. How do we get there and why? All about Mars. Mars is said to be a cold desert world. It is the fourth rock from the sun and is named after the Roman god of war. It is half the size of Earth and is sometimes called the red planet. It is red because of rust iron in the ground. Like Earth, Mars has seasons. They also have volcanoes. They have canyons, weather, and it has a very thin atmosphere. There are signs of ancient flood on Mars. The structure, surface, and time on Mars. Mars is a territory planet. It is a small and rocky. Mars has a thin atmosphere. Mars has active atmosphere, but the surface on the planet is not active. It is void or dead. One day on Mars lasts 24.6 hours. It is just a little longer than a day on Earth. 1 year on Mars is 687 days. It is almost twice as long as 1 year on Earth. How do we get there? To get there, Spirit Opportunity, the two Mars Explorer robot launching will have to fly through about 483 billion kilometers. Adjust to the flight pattern can be made along the way, but a small target error can result in a big detour or even miss the planet completely. The space environment is not friendly. The road to the launch is narrow, dreary journey to Mars. Even before the trip to Mars can be begin, a craftsman must build that not only can make the trip but can be a complete science mission once it arrives. Why Mars? Mars is most earthly-like of the planet in our solar system. It has the potential to have been a bound of life. The first spacecraft was in 1965. It was several robots that has been launched there. Mars is cold. It is a very thin air that the earth could not even breathe. However, many of the pictures on the scope and the robot has been sent back is like liquid water on the surface. All these signs of water are very accurate, and that is why our journey to Mars sometime have different meanings and still today as a tiny bacteria. In my conclusion, Mars has been known as an ancient time because it can be without advanced telescope. Mars had two moons. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. And it also is the red planet. And it's like 16 years ago today, on January the 24th, 2004, had added to information we now know about Mars.